Scientist is a website. There's like 5 scientists that answer your questions, and you have to vote for which one you want to win. And the winner gets £500 to teach other kids about science.
I'm a Scientist is very much an interactive programme for the students. They spend a lot of time on the website talking to scientists that are prepared to give up their time to talk to them, and so it opens up their eyes a lot more into science.
We've been looking on their profiles, and we also asked them questions about what they do being a scientist.
I was quite surprised at how technical some of the questions are, and there were a couple of questions I was asked and I thought, oh goodness, I don't know how to kind of answer that one. But it's really stimulating to have things looked at in a completely different way.
Well, it's been really fun so far. It's really good to see so many students excited about the project.
It's different to a normal science lesson because you can ask just what you want to ask, not what everyone else wants to know.
The students can then comment on our answers, and we can start to build up a sort of dialogue between the kids and the scientists.
Sometimes we have chats, and I think they're really good because we get to know more, because it's actually like a live chat.
And we know it's definitely them who are the scientists, and they're actually talking to us.
The chat rooms are quite manic as they throw in questions at all of us faster than we can answer them. But I've been really pleased with the kinds of questions we've been getting.
I like the fact that I get to vote because I'm choosing who's more in control of the money, and it goes to a good cause.
It's like kind of the X Factor but on computers.
Most of them have been doing it at home in the evenings, either just checking if their questions have been answered, or especially this week voting after the evictions. And I mean, some of them are already asking, can we still ask them questions after this finishes? So they've actually run away with it a lot more than I thought they would.
I was quite surprised at the amount of questions that the kids were asking every day, because it did take up quite a lot of time, not in a bad way. I mean, it was good to see the amount of interest there was in my research. That was definitely a really positive aspect of I'm a Scientist.
I think this programme contributes a lot to their career awareness, because I think to some of them they only thought of science as going into being a teacher or going into medicine. It now actually means they're a lot more aware of other things they can actually do with science if they decide that's the type of career they want.
Everybody imagines them to be in white coats with the weird goggles and really big hair, but they're just like normal people who are actually scientists.